Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman, 704-997-2168. We've got a 2023 19 SPX that just came in from Sea Ray. Let's take a look. Up in the bow area, shows you the bow filler cushion installed. You can remove that to get more seating or leave it in, and you've got a nice large sun pad in the front. Lockable glove box. This is the single captain chair layout. Flip up bolster. This has got the Mercury 4.5 liter 200 horsepower engine in it, all fuel injected. You'll notice all of the sea deck is included throughout the boat and on the sun deck in the back. Got a nice large sun pad. This has got the water sport tower with integrated bimini top. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Be glad to show you this Sea Ray or any of the others that we've got. And if we don't have it, we can certainly special order you one, custom to whatever colors you like.